Bode, how many
Good
students
evening,
are
ma'am.
there? Good evening. How many students are there?
16 are there,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
I have sent the link.
I have given link in material science WhatsApp group.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Only 17 have joined. 19. So you are taking time to join. Why? I was in the meeting. HOD's meeting was going on. Why you are taking so much time
We'll wait.
today? What is the reason
Ma'am,
for joining? Difficulty is there
we'll
or
wait.
what? Yes. Who is speaking?
I'm Rohit Patil. We'll wait
Yes.
for 2 minutes.
We'll wait 2 minutes. Okay. Rohit, what you did in the morning today? At what time you wake up?
Ma'am, wake up at 6.
Rohit,
Ma'am,
at what time you wake up in the morning?
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock. Okay, very good.
Yes.
What you did?
I go for playing football.
Football? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
So you are going out, huh?
I'm nearby our house, not out. Nearby our house.
Okay, let us start because already we are running late. From Monday, we'll try to be in time, all of you. So let us see whether you can see my slide. I am just making it on. Can you see my slide?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Let us start now. Unmute yourself. Also, yesterday we have seen the scope of material science subject, theory subjects. Now we will discuss today about the practical aspects because there are number of hours, means double practical hours. So theory lectures are 3 and practical lectures are 4. So we discussed all this about the structure, how it is different. Then now you are familiar with course outcome. You are also familiar with course objectives, what are the different units, which materials you are going to study, and about materials, what you are going to study, characteristics, uses, applications, classification, and how you will read my PPT. There is significance for all the color codes that we discussed in the last lecture. So now see, one visit is there, industrial visit. Now I'm not sure whether we'll organize this visit because actually I wanted to cover it in earlier, but due to lockdown period, it will be difficult for us, but I will plan. So it is necessary to visit to one industry and also submit one report. You mute yourself because there is a uh, disturbance. So term work is there for 25 marks. Already I told you. So let us see now what is there in practical A. Somebody, you mute yourself. Your noise is giving disturbance. Check whether you are unmuted or muted. So let us discuss today part A practicals. So part A practicals, if you will see, out of 12 experiments, means if you will see syllabus, there are 12 numbers of experiments given. And out of 12 numbers, we need to complete 8 numbers. Okay. So 8 are mandatory. Now question is, how will perform this experiment in the lockdown period? But it doesn't mean that we cannot perform in the lockdown period. So you should not be worried about that. We have number of ways. Virtual lab is there. My video lectures are already there on 3-4 experiments where I have shown actual demonstration of the equipment. For material science subject, 3-4 experiments are demonstrative, means I will just show you because they are high voltage, means voltage is above 40-50 kilovolt. So it is not advisable that you will make connections and you will operate. So they are demonstrative, and as they are demonstrative, I have also have videos of that I can tell you. But let us see what lockdown situation, whether it allows us to join college or it just goes on extending. That based on that we will see part A. So don't worry about the part A just now. In timetable also part A is not there, and also I will not start with part A. But 15 marks are there on this part A, because already we have seen difference between material science course and another course is that material science is having oral exam, practical exam is not there. While if you see ADE measurement, they have practical exam. So there you need to complete physically in the lab. But for material science, even suppose lockdown period will continue, there will be no difficulty for oral exam, because based on theoretical concepts it can be conducted. 15 marks will be based on part A. Now these 15 marks based on the experiments will be there. So you need to be attentive about the experiments, how experiment can be performed, connections, circuit diagram, procedures, what theory is required in that. Suppose you are finding breakdown voltage of a paper insulating material, solid insulating material. Then first thing in the practical oral exam is required that what way you can find out breakdown strength, what are the equipments required, what will be procedure, how you measure gap, how you measure voltmeter, whether voltmeter was connected to primary side or secondary side. Means physical observations are also important. Suppose you found breakdown voltage of oil, then what you observed in the oil, what happened after breakdown in the. So physical observations are very important in material science. That will be not so much important in other practicals. But here, as material science is high voltage and demonstrative, observation plays very important role. So while conducting experiments, you need to note down all these observations in your notebook. Second type of questioning is theoretical, means breakdown voltage is there. Then what do you mean by breakdown voltage? What are the factors affecting on the breakdown voltage? So you please write down in the notebook about the practical exam, oral exam. 3 types of questionings are required. First, based on the experimental questions. Experimental questions. Second, observational questions. And third, conceptual, theoretical questions. So you note down in your notebook. I already told you that you prepared separate notebook for material science or separate pages. Go on stapling it. Go on putting the date. So you write down this oral exam 15 marks means what is required? Physical observations. Second, experimental procedures, observations, graph, calculations, conclusion. And third is theoretical concepts based on that experiment. So that is part A. And part B is also 2 hours per week. Now in part B, there will be practical case studies, assignments, which are for bridging the gap. And I told you the concept of bridging gap. What is this bridging gap? There is certain need from the industry. You as an engineer, when you will go in industry and will start doing the job, they have certain expectations from you that you must be able to do that. You must be able to create that. You must be able to taste that. But unfortunately, our syllabus, our curriculum is not fully matched with their expectation, because industrial revolutions are happening. Technology grows very fast, changes fast. Now you see in the lockdown period how we are just shifted to online technological use. So there are changes, rapid growth in the professional world. But in educational, we can't suddenly change our syllabus. It takes 5 years, 5 years it takes to change syllabus. So second year syllabus change after 5 years. So then 5 years, so much advancement takes place. So there is always gap between what is industrial demand and what college is giving you or teaching you. So to fill up the gap, this practical part B is focused. So we need to do all our activities, assignments, so that we will develop ourselves to the upper side level. We will jump to the higher level so that we will be able to absorb by the industry. So practical knowledge, enhancement in the practical knowledge is expected, and that is for 10 marks. So 25 marks are split in two parts, 15 marks for part A and 10 marks for part B. Now list of experiments, if you will see, because it is very essential to go through the syllabus first. If you will know the scope of syllabus, what is there, then you will learn more easily what is to capture, what is to absorb, which is important, which is not important. You will also come to know. So if you see part A, term work, 15 marks or 8 experiments, the green color here I have indicated which we are going to perform. So who is there in our class along with you? You are also including your home members for the lecture, it means. So if you have syllabus copy with you, then tick mark which experiments we are going to perform. Already I told you that syllabus is available on website. So otherwise I will try to give you. I will post today in WhatsApp or here if I will try in chat box. So to measure dielectric strength, this will perform. So green color means which we will perform out of 12, which we will perform in. So see which experiments I have selected. To measure the dielectric strength, to measure the dielectric strength, to measure the dielectric strength. Means same experiments, but materials are changed. Solid, liquid material, liquid material and gaseous material. These IS are important. So these three are there. Means you need to understand dielectric strength concepts very in the depth. Understanding should be clear. Solid, liquid, gaseous, insulating material properties, characteristics, applications, example is very important. This we will not perform. Then fourth means our fourth means fifth in the syllabus. I will tell you, just don't go on telling experiment number, first experiment, second experiment. Just keep in mind with your names, okay? Because always first will be not our first. We are going to change the sequence. So don't have habit of talking about the experiment, first experiment, second experiment, because in last semester B students, when I used to say which experiment perform and they used to say first, second. That is not the way, because first question in the oral always starts which experiments you perform, just tell the 8 names, and about 80% students always can't tell the name of the experiment also, because you don't have habit of remaining experiments with the name. You just keep in mind first experiment, second वो कब किया था, वो last किया था, अरे पहले ये किया था, ऐसे नहीं है. You have to keep names. At least you must tell breakdown strength of liquid, breakdown strength of gases, but some examiner just go on asking you whether that is the name, whether that is the name. So here they expect to measure means objectives. So that way some examiner expect you must able to tell the name as it is. So our fourth experiment will be to understand the principle of thermocouple. KV, what is happening? Mute yourself, KV. You are unmuted. Who is KV? Who is KV? Khakre?
अभिषेक कलमकरे मॅम सॉरी मॅम
बघ बरं डिस्टर्बन्स नाही मग काय झालं आता दिसते का स्लाइड Can you see my slide?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Now see the fourth experiment. I think you have studied principle of thermocouple. Do you know thermocouple? Whether you studied little bit? Put in chat box. Put in chat box whether you studied thermocouple or no. Then fifth experiment will be to measure insulation resistance and kVAR capacity of power capacitor. See, this is a power capacitor. Means you are familiar with electronic capacitor, small voltage to 30 volt, 10 volt, 20 volt. But here we need to find out kVAR, kilovolt ampere. Means our capacitor is power capacitor, means three-phase capacitor. And we will give voltage at least 400 volt, you know. So power capacitor, three-phase capacitor, we will measure kVAR capacity. And next experiment will be to measure resistivity of high resistive alloy. So you know high resistive alloy means which. So we need to measure resistivity. I hope you are familiar with resistivity also. Then these middle experiments will not perform because they are just repetitions. If you will see, they are just finding like breakdown voltage, means test setup is same. So let us learn something different. So that is write report on visit to an industry. Visit report is also there. So where we'll go in industry, you need to write down visit report. Now much more important part is part B. Important part is part B. So again 2 hours per week and 10 marks are there. And now I am going to focus this part B in lockdown period. Practical hours are not there, but we will discuss it. Because if you will see the nature, you have also time now. And I think you will also prefer to do it now. Because this will be requiring time. And then when our physical going means we are going only, but you are not coming in college. And when it will start, then again you will find out difficult to do it because all other activities will start, practicals of all subjects will start. So you only tell me your choice. So I am explaining this. Now see, there will be I think 13 are there, and out of 13, 6 activities are compulsory. In practical 12 are given, out of 12 8 are compulsory. Here 13 are there and 6 activities are compulsory. Out of that 1, 4, 6 are compulsory. So I have marked in red color where we need to do it. Now you please note down because I am just explaining this so that you will come to know what you need to do and you will tell me whether we have to start or no. You tell me your choice. So note down now in notebook, what I will tell you, not here what is given because it is already in syllabus. So if you see first activity, compulsory, it is given that review of research, online literature. Online literature means whatever is available on the website, you just review the research from latest journal papers. So for second year students, you don't know the journals. So no question that you know the latest journal. Okay. Papers, transactions related to different insulating, magnetic, semiconducting. Now here you are lucky semiconducting is mentioned, and conducting materials, advanced material developments and their applications. Draft of paper, presentation among students in conference and publishing it. So this activity is compulsory. So now you note down what I will tell you. Here in simple word, you need to write down paper. Write down writing a paper and publishing it and presenting it. Writing a paper, publishing it or presenting it, or I am giving either you publish or present. Now what is this paper? You might have heard in first year there are certain competitions. National paper presentation competition, international paper presentation competitions. So you need to write down paper. Now to understand, I will take simple example. Suppose lamp, you know what are the types of lamp: incandescent, fluorescent, LED lamp, sodium vapor lamp, mercury vapor lamp. And you want to write down paper on a lamp. So whenever paper is there, it has to be advanced content in that. What are the advancement going in the lab? How much energy consumed by LED lamp? What is the efficiency is improved? So that way you need to research. Means whatever is available online, you take download some papers and then study them. Research means again you study them and put in your own way. म्हणजे मराठीमध्ये आपण निबंध लिहायचं म्हणतो. You learn in school writing essay. So how essay is written, your thought plus some available material, organizing it, creating different structure and reorganizing points and presenting in a good manner. So like you can say essay type work only, but paper means somewhat advanced, and that you will present means you will talk on that. Otherwise you will get published, and when it is required to publish, it should not be copy work. So plagiarism is there. You have to obey ethics while copying from online material. So I think this activity we will start because this is very, very important for your oral development. If you could remember my first lecture, in that already I told you technical competitions. So technical competitions means what? Technical paper writing, technical model making, then technical quizzes, like that participation is important. Now I have found in my experience the students who write paper, who publish paper, they get immediate scholarships if they are interested in the foreign studies. So this activity is important for your MS. If you want to go for higher education, definitely paper contribution is lot. So excuse me, I am getting some difficulty while talking. 1 minute. So that way this activity is important. So I will give you guidance how to write down paper. That way I can take lecture also and you can start the work. So for this activity I will tell you prepare your group. Write down. Prepare your group up to 4 students. Okay, because one paper can be done by 2 students, 3 students, 4 students. So they are called as authors, co-authors and authors. So now how to find out group, that also I will tell you here only, so that you can start making group. While writing paper, how we can make group? Suppose now I will like the work of downloading papers from the internet and just creating the structure, because I am good in essay writing. I can abstract, I can rearrange. My suppose English is good, I will not copy, I will reframe the sentence. So select the one student like that, who can rewrite, who will not copy same as it is, writing work. Second student, communication work, means he or she must be good in presentation, presenting impact, super fast communication, language, sophisticated English, a lot of confidence. You take second student like that. Third student, you take financially rich, means paper presentation also requires to pay conference fee. Now international conferences are going on online also, but they require to pay fee. So you can select that third combination like that. And fourth combination you can select dashing one, going here and there, means wherever conference is there. That way you can select. So keep your group with diversity. Usually what we see while making group, I will make group to whom I am familiar, to whom I have friendship. But you know, when you will learn and grow, you have to be with divergent people more. Why? Because if you will be with divergent people, then you will learn more. because whenever you are with friends, you don't have any obligations and no tensions, no burden, and just easy way. Because I will tell you, when I went there in USA, I had selected one mentor also, who had done that course earlier, because that is the program need only mentorship. And you know a mentor, and how you take your mentor or counselor, you don't take benefit of that. But the course has given me mentor. Then I asked to my mentor, he is from Singapore and business one, and he had done that course earlier. So I just asked him, you tell me few tips in what better way I can learn and benefit, and I will take maximum from this course. So he told me only two things. First, he told there are all international peoples, and you will want to be with your Indian or more similar neighboring countries. But if you really want to learn, you be with divergent people. Divergent mean not country wise, age wise, profession wise, like that. Then second, he told me that talk less and observe more. Because when we want more and more learning, we have to focus on observations. And that helped me a lot, because I am always leader. I just go on talking. I just always, whenever question will be asked, it doesn't mean that you should not answer the question. But that is my habit, leading again. But if I am a leader, what is required in me, if I want to develop, what is not in me, that I must learn. Means where is my lacuna, where I am not fulfilled. So remaining myself. बोलो आईला लेक्चर मध्ये कोण आहे, कोणाची आई आहे, बोलो. कोणाची आई आहे? We will call your parents one day. I will go on calling your parents suddenly. So be ready. So let the parents also enjoy what is going in our class. So that way I will go on taking name of the student, and will try to invite your mother and father. So be ready from tomorrow. That I did in lockdown period with B students, and the parents were so happy, you know. Parents said, first time in our life, teacher called us in the learning process. Let them enjoy also. In what way you are learning? How are your teachers? What you are learning? Who are your friends? Let them enjoy. Let them communicate with your classmates. Communicate with me. So from tomorrow we don't have lecture. From Monday you be ready. And so that way, see, whatever is not in me, that is only important to, I must learn that to be behind. That is what I told you. My journey from stage to backseat balcony, stage to balcony. And that helped me a lot, you know. Really, that helped me. So that way you can also focus. Now I ask your strength, I ask your weakness. So where your weakness are there, you just start thinking how we can remove or how we can change, how we can convert our weakness into opportunities, also our threat into opportunity. And I told to the students, now we will just work on that. So in counseling we can do that. So immediately I am planning, I'm preparing, I almost have done counseling data. So to 25 students I will give, but to whoever others are interested, they can also join, and they can also fill up that mentorship form. So that is first activity. Now we'll start it. So you plan the group and let me your group by Monday. Write down. This is today's learning by doing. Mute yourself, dear students. You are giving me so much disturbance now. I don't want to see whose sound is coming. Just check your sound. You must be muted. So please make group of 2 to 4 students and give me by Monday. CR, you just take note of this and just you write down on one paper group number 1 in the sequence, group number 1 and serial number.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Group number 1 serial
Okay,
number,
ma'am.
group number 2
Sure.
serial number. Now let us see second. It is not compulsory. I am also not focusing on the detailed case study of composite insulating material in transformer. Why I am not considering this? Because it really requires to go in transformer company and do all these things. Actually, it's not difficult for me, but due to lockdown, I am not considering this. Now, third activity I may consider detailed study of patents on castor oil used in transformer, its properties and comparison with other liquid insulating materials. So write down second point. For part B, second point, you just see whether you get patent on castor oil on your website. You just check it and tell me whether you are getting patents. Patents on castor oil used in transform. Actually, I was telling why you are putting castor oil. Let the students consider any patent. Let the students study any patent. You know, our one student, he has filed patent. But that way, patent filing is not important because anybody can file patent. But patent should be accepted. That is most important. So filing patent, at least you can think studying the patent. Okay, so all of you you just find out patent on castor oil, whether they are available on website. Immediately we'll download it, one patent, and we will study. Now fourth is compulsory. So what is there? Try to understand mini project on development of prototype of various electrical gadgets, right from draft of specification, design, selection of conducting magnetic insulating material. Means you will do mini project, means small little project. On what? Prototype. इलेक्ट्रिकल गॅजेट्स माहिती आहे तुम्हाला काय काय आहेत? समजा मिक्सर. Take an example of mixer. In mixer, what magnetic material is used, what conducting material is there, what is insulating material is there. You can just make mixer small because it is a mini project on development of prototype. So you can do any model, and for this I will give idea. YouTubes are available. Okay, and you just type it in YouTube. Then you will get variety of mini projects, prototype models using magnetic conducting material, and they can also be assembled with scraps. Like I told you, with the thumbs up tin, means cold drinks tin, that you can make a high voltage generator, Tesla coil. So all nowadays it is not difficult. YouTube show all materials, sequence, and how you can do that. So write down now third thing with respect to part B, and this is compulsory side by side with first paper groups. You start this. So start searching on YouTube and just tell me which you can do. Now this also not individually is required to do. Here nothing is mentioned. So 2 students will do this. So for this you just select your partner with whom you are habitual and do the work in an interesting way. So here you can select any partner of your choice. Okay, and just start searching YouTube and tell me, get it approved from me, whether madam I can do this, whether madam I can do that. So for mini project you start working and get it your topic which you are going to develop prototype model approved from me, and then start doing working. So this, I think there is nothing that lockdown should finish and I should teach you, because what is expected? Suppose if you will do the project, then in practical B you will present it to the batch, to the class. So that will be practical part B, but doing this is expected in home only. So in lockdown, if you will do it, part B, I think we can complete part B in the month of August. By the end of August, part B will be finished. That's what I think. If you will work really, and then presentation part, we will just keep it in there and we'll present in the class. So start working for part B also. So I am giving you date, note down. The date today is, I think today is 10th. So up to 20th July, you just tell me which you will do. So write down in your notebook 20th July, telling the name of model, prototype model or gadget, electrical gadget. But please do focus, there should be conducting magnetic insulating materials in that your model. Okay, now this fifth I am not considering, which is testing, diagnosis, motor, cable, transformer. Again it is testing and diagnosis, so forget. Now this is compulsory, sixth is compulsory. What is that? Laboratory visit. Some lab we need to visit. Now this is not possible, at least now. Survey visit is not possible. Survey is not possible, but left out things are possible. Role play, games, debates, any activity focusing collaborative work, students centric. This is mistake in syllabus, student centric. Active learning on industrial, social, sustainability, public health, safety, ethical, cultural, societal, and environmental aspects. This now you come to know. These are from 8 POs, program outcome, where industry expect to do lot of this work. Today I attended one program from morning, and the two topics were on ethics only. So how they are important and how engineer should know about the ethics. Nowadays companies ask you the questions on ethic codes, you know, what ethic code you learn, and tell me how you will observe ethical code in industry, and where they are in syllabus. They are not in syllabus. So all this work is required to do related to advanced materials, means this is related to material. Presentation of industrial case studies related with material science. Now see, to get you the idea, this was done from the last 2 years material science students. They did lot of wonderful activities, and you know nowadays what happened when I presented one session in our college national event work of second years. Please excuse me.
Yes, ma'am. Pani pe.
No, just I had gone to bring water. Today I am having some problem. I don't know. So, so the work of second year students and this semester B student, I just presented to the teachers. 500 teachers attended that session, and they liked it so much that whether it is possible to do in class and students are doing, and that way. So I think I will also show you to get the idea, because now it has come in syllabus. I already told you I used to do it as a extra bridging gap part, but whatever I used to do in my teaching class, now it has become part of syllabus, you know. So that is very much important things. I looked 10 years ahead, because this I am doing before 10-12 years. So I will tell you that PPT I have, I just show you one day so that you will get idea, and then you can start doing this. So just by that time I will not tell you to some, because you will not get idea this way. Now next will be 2-3 household appliances like mixer, motor, ceiling fan motor, mixer motor, ceiling fan motor, any motor. Household appliances can be opened up by students either individually or by group of students and analyzed with respect to the materials found it. Name each material used and to which category of material does it belong, other applications of same. Now here you think it. Can you open? Your parents should not talk with me. Means you should not take working device. So now I don't know old market is open or no. Otherwise I always send the students. जुना बाजार आहे ना आपल्या कॉलेजच्या इथे. तर I would have preferred to send you there. But no, I am not telling you. If you just think it and tell me what you can do. But it is required to open the household appliances and study that in a group or individual. You think, write down now next. Write down in notebook for 7th activity. You need to tell me what way you will do. You tell me. Okay, so 8th and 9th again insulation system resin casted. I am not considering this. 9th is also not considered. Then 10th. So this we will do. So 10th is what? Discussion, presentations, any activity using or related to IS, IEC, IEEE standard. Now what I have done, I have brought some Indian standard specification from my cupboard in my home. So I can mail you by scanning. You can also start going through that, and there will be discussions held what you observed in that standard, or these are available on internet also. You can download and just plan for discussion. This also will do in group, not individually, with insulating, conducting and magnetic materials. Okay. Then case study on failure modes of various, this I am not considering. Now 12th I may consider case study on recent advancement of magnetic materials, high temperature superconductor and its applications. So write down for 12th, write down in your notebook. 12th means why I have given purple color, because it will depend upon your choice. If you will come, madam, I got this one good material and I can present it as a case study. What is their topic is your favorable topic. Case study on recent advancement of magnetic materials, high temperature superconductors, you know, applications. Now it is removed from syllabus, so it is coming here. Superconductor and its application. So if you are interested, if you are getting good material, you can tell me, madam, I got and I will present it. So that way this lavender means you can select according to your choice. Then 13th means I am keeping some flexibility for part B depending upon your choice. 13th, any activity using advanced ICT tool like virtual lab, animations, simulations, advanced software, online certificate course like NPTEL online quiz. So this is very important. Now you note down in your notebook. If you will do any course related to NPTEL, material science, you have to approve it from me first. So this will be considered as your part 13. So you just attach certificate and some brief abstract, okay, on that course. So this will be completed. Here journal we need to write down for part B also. So start thinking whether any course is there related to material science, which is the NPTEL, or any, let be any another number of Udemy is there, Coursera is there, another are there. You have to approve it from me, and then this will be part 13 or online quiz. So note down, you can create online quiz also. Online quiz you will create and also will give that quiz. You need to get good marks in the quiz. So that is very simple option, online quiz, but that let us see at the end or when I will tell you this. By that time you just start searching courses. And if you don't want to do, or important thing will be this, if you will just do any activity using virtual lab. So that also I will tell you what is virtual lab. So last semester students did on that virtual lab, that I will show you. So you will get the idea how it is simple. It is only 10 minutes to half an hour job to open any virtual lab related to material science and do the activity on that virtual lab, so that our experience will also completed. If you will prefer this, benefit will be our experiment 1 to from part A we can complete. So last lockdown period I completed 3 experiments of B students like this. Animations. Today I attended course, in that I told you ethic was also there, and some students from which college? Surathkal, Gujarat. NIT Surathkal, Gujarat. They had done some good animation work and they created virtual lab also. So the staff was presenting that, like I presented our AC last 2 years activities in class. He presented how his students did animations and virtual lab also. So what students did, I have some video. I will just post in material science group. Okay. So suppose one simple device, how it can work, animation of that. Now animations are available on internet also. You can also select available animations from internet. Like suppose now I am feeling difficulty. Actually, I am thinking to change my teaching plan, because first topic is there in dielectric material, polar material, non-polar material, and second unit is dielectric materials breakdown. But all these first 2 topics are very conceptual. So I am thinking, if I will just explain you on white paper or some paper, I will notebook, I will draw and I will go on explaining and you will watch. That way your understanding will be very less. So I'm thinking to change my teaching plan. I have done only little, only for this purpose, because I wanted to see how it happens through the online. So I think I will start from unit 3 and 4, because for INSEM exam first 4 units are required. I can't take 5th and 6th. That way we should be ready for our INSEM exam. And third unit and fourth unit, they are very descriptive, means no concepts are there. In third unit at all, no concepts are there. Means insulating material, canthol, eureka, this mica, asbestos, cement. So all materials we need to study characteristics and application. What is there to understand? Everything memorization is required. And I think if I will take that units better, there is no understanding concepts. So PPT I will tell you that requires PPT also. So that way it will be coverage. And if we will be in normal situation, then part 1, unit 2, because they are important also, conceptual also. So I will be waiting 1-to-1 face-to-face teaching for first 2 units. So that way I am thinking today, I am thinking to change that. And what will be benefit if we'll start with 3rd and 4th unit, then you can start activities on that. And with activity, because part unit 3 and unit 4 activities are there, like role play, games, and where your contribution is required. And that way if you will keep yourself ready, and that will be repetitions when we'll see, and that will be repetition of also there. And as the units will be covered, you can also immediately keep your activities ready based on that part. While part 1 and 2, not activity, much activities can be framed on that. So that way also it will be advantageous. So I prefer this. If you are intellectual, this time I am keeping some higher objectives from your class. At least 2-3 students should come forward to create animations, your own animations or your own virtual lab. I will tell you. So if you are good enough, you can create that animations. Simulations B students did. Huh?
रोहित पाटील is a great animation. म्हणजे भारी animation करतो मॅम.
मग चांगलं आहे ना. एक दोन
हो, मॅम.
मुलं जरी आले ना, कारण आपण अजून हे कोणी केलेलं नाहीये आणि हे झालं तर आपण हायर लेवलला गेल्यासारखं होईल. तर थोडस या टर्मला मी तुमचा क्लास चांगला वाटतोय मला. I will keep this objective. I will show
Yes,
you
ma'am.
first. Now, today I will post that Suratkal students one clip, 1 minute, half minute I took. So, any concepts related to material science? What I was telling, suppose now that ionization. That ionization, when I will start teaching, I will find difficulty because lot of visualization it requires. So, I have to search on internet animations. And then I have to show you that animations. So by that way you can search on internet also, and ready-made animations you can present that way also, it is possible. And you can also create your own animations. Both I am opening up. But if you start doing these animations related to our theory portion, that way our teaching learning will become interesting. So today you think on these animations, write down in notebook.
Yes, ma'am.
Animations, creating animations or finding from internet. Because what happens to find out right animation, it requires happen 1 hour for suppose any one bit. So my time will go waste. Better you find out and you present. So this activity also completed, and if you will give me this and you will present in class, people will understand in a very much better way. So that way you start searching from today animations related to any topic from the syllabus. So now I have given you hint. I have started thinking unit number 3 I will start and unit 4 I will start. So you focus on the content of unit 3 and 4 first, or you can take 1 and 2 also. So that way you start finding animations on the internet. Okay, simulations. Also, if you are, I think you don't know MATLAB and this, so simulation you will not do. It will not able to do by yourself, but animations you can. But simulations you can find out ready-made on internet also. Advanced software. So that way, now see which 4 activities are compulsory. Part B, if you will consider, part B, first is paper you are starting, which is compulsory. Then mini project you are starting, which is compulsory, and role play, game, debate you are starting. Means I will present now that lecture, and then you can start doing that. It's very interesting. Means you need to plan games in the class, or role play, debates, drama. म्हणजे कोडी घातली, काही मुलांनी कोडी घातली, काही मुलांनी क्रॉसवर्ड केले, काही मुलांनी पझल केल्या, काही मुलांनी हे केलं, काय म्हणतात, डमशेऱ्याच खेळला. टेक्निकल ऑन आवर टॉपिक. सो दॅट वे इट इज थर्ड कंपल्सरी ऍक्टिव्हिटी. आणि फोर्थ कुठं गेली रेड?
Ma'am. Hello.
Oh, 3 are compulsory. So 3 are compulsory. First, 4th and 6th. So 3 are completed and we need to do 6. So which are remaining 3? 7th, 10th and 13th. मार्क केल्या का तुम्ही? मार्क करून घ्या बरं, नोटबुक मध्ये लिहून घ्या. कंपल्सरी एक 1, 4, 6 कंपल्सरी आहे. त्याच्यानंतर काय आपण सिलेक्ट केलं? रिमेनिंग 3, 7th, 10th, 13th सिलेक्ट केले आपण. आणि तुम्हाला काय चॉईस बघायला सांगितली आहे? तुमचं चॉईस बघा आहे का. थर्ड पेटंट मिळाले तर पेटंट करून टाका. थर्ड सगळ्यांना सेम नसणार आहे. तुमच्या ग्रुपनी, तुमच्या चॉईसने तुम्ही वेगळं करू शकता. थर्ड तुम्ही घेऊ शकता पेटंट. तुम्हाला जर मिळाला कॅस्टर ऑइलचा ऑनलाईन, तर कसं टाकायचं? गुगल सर्च मध्ये यू कॅन पुट जस्ट पेटंट्स ऑन कॅस्टर ऑइल यूज इन ट्रान्सफॉर्म. ओके, तर थर्ड. आणि तुम्ही अजून 12th विचार करू शकता. आणि मी काय काम दिले ते पटापट करा. मला असं वाटतं की हा पार्ट बी खूप तुम्हाला इंटरेस्टिंग आहे आणि आपल्याला पण ऑनलाईन टीचिंगला मदत होईल. आता गाईडलाईन्स फॉर इन्स्ट्रक्टर मॅन्युअल्स आय विल नॉट टेल यू बिकॉज दे आर फॉर टीचर्स. एव्हरीथिंग इज रेडी. Actually, you know, my material science book is there. So I don't have any problem for giving you the materials, but only one thing is there, that book I could not complete every year. Updations are required and I don't have time. My high voltage book is there, that is going popular in 4 states. Gujarat, Maharashtra, Bombay. In Gujarat, it is top one high voltage engineering book. टेकमॅक्स बुक. आता टेकमॅक्स बदलला, याचा अर्थ असं नाही की मी तुम्हाला लोकल ऑथर सांगते, पण रिअली आय जस्ट रोट अ बुक ओनली फॉर माय स्टुडंट पर्पज, यू नो, बिकॉज स्टुडंट्स विल गेट गुड notes, online notes, and that way I had planned, and with my departmental colleague I could wrote that HE book. Material science also with IIT staff member and myself, I have written book, but that book we are not able to continue. But that way I can give you the material, means online material. So don't worry about material science, about the learning resources, because I asked somebody who he was, when I asked what is your difficulty, he said not getting learning material. That will be not there. I need your Google group mail ID. You give me Google mail ID. Post it now. Every communication, please do in material science WhatsApp group, because already I told you there are lot of communication flooding in my mobile, not in my mobile, in my mail also, you know, and I am so busy nowadays. So please don't expect that I will open your introductory video, and because one student has asked me 2 times, but I could not respond him. Whatever you want to say, please post in material science group, and don't mind that I have not seen, I have not praised. Really, I am very busy. Yesterday, whole day I was so busy. Today
Yes,
also I'm busy up to 8 o'clock. So please don't mind. And this Gmail, our Gmail group mail ID, you please add me and post it on the our material science group, so that I will start giving you learning resources. But I don't want to start study. I want to make you start to think on the part B, because part B is really made for your overall development. Now guidelines for journal A only I will tell you. 6 questions it is mentioned now in syllabus, 5-6 questions after the journal. So I hope that you might have learned in first year. So that way this is now again left out part, we'll see afterwards. No guideline for laboratory conductions are mentioned. While conducting new experiment, assessment of previous experience should be carried out by its checking along with its mock oral session. That I want to show you. Now it has merged in syllabus, that when one experiment will be completed, in the next week immediately we must check it, we must give mark and mock oral also. So that way you keep in mind how you are regular. There are a number of problems, I know, stationery you don't get and all this, but when college will start normally, please focus on completing journal, because 15 marks are there. Now how I will give 10 marks, that you note down. That was my objective, because you must know the scope. So these 3 activities which are compulsory. Mini project I will give 3 marks. Demo, what you work, it will be working. Okay, it will be working prototype model. So 3 marks I will give for project. 3 marks I will give for this role play. Role play, games, debate, whatever activities you will conduct. Okay, 3 plus 3, 6. For this 2 marks, I will give journal paper 2 marks. So 8, and 2 marks for the remaining write up things. Okay. So you mention marks in your notebook, please. 2 marks for paper, because if you will write down paper, it will be really your biodata. Okay, your biodata will start growing. This is very important activity for your CV, you know, for your job, your higher studies. Very impactful if you will write down paper. And I told you, leadership student wrote research paper, they presented at international level, and this you plan. So 2 marks will be for that. Then 3 marks for work, mini project, 3 marks for your activity. Here we will say that here we can call it as a activity. Okay, so 10 marks, 2 marks for the remaining. Now any difficulty to you? Books. Books are there.
No,
So
ma'am.
out of this book, you mark this book. Seth and Gupta book is really good textbooks. So this Seth and Gupta book, you will find out 80%, 70% of your syllabus maximum. Means this is really textbook. So you purchase this book. I will recommend that you go in Appavan. So now it's open. So better way. Don't go in Appavan. So but if your parents are moving out, you tell them to purchase this book. So this book will really help you. 70% syllabus will be covered. So by Seth and Gupta, Seth Dhanpat Rai book. Gupta now it has removed his co-author. So while purchasing, see the latest edition. Okay. Now this Rajput and TT Raina and these all they cover very little portion. And in my notes, I have really used number of books. So whatever they are only for insulating material, this very little portion. But my notes covered all these things. So that way I will not tell you, but these are available in book in our library. Nanotechnology is challenge because nanotechnology, I don't think book is there. We have to find out from the internet. My PPT is there on nanotechnology. I would have also started with nanotechnology, but that will be not for INSEM. So I cannot take that. So for which topic PPT is required, that I am taking first. And which required chalkboard, that I am keeping aside from the first 4 unit. My planning I am changing. Actually, in fact, I changed planning in the syllabus. Yes.
Can I interrupt you?
Yes.
Ma'am, someone is removing me and others for like this is fourth time someone removed him and me.
Okay.
In the lecture. They are not letting us.
I talk with.
Problem with me.
No, I talk this problem with HOD today in meeting. I'm not finding time to see the controls of Microsoft. That also I am facing problem. Saturday, Sunday I will work to see. Actually, I'm not getting how to find out attendance also. So if you could see and download attendance today's lecture, please post me immediately. That problem also I'm facing. Now see this link also I was facing problem, and I talk with Sri Rekha madam. In my things some different controls are seen, and in her different controls are there. Lot of problems are there. So just be with us. I think after next week we will be running smoothly. Otherwise, I will change Microsoft only. I told today, Godwale madam, that you arrange training for us also, because there was not training given to us also on this Microsoft. Like I took your practice on chat box. I took your practice on muting unmute. So there is also planning required for teachers also. So that way book I told you. Now reference book, if you'll see Tagare, Tata McGrail, it is there in library, which is a power capacitor, electrical engineering material Chalhotra. These are really good books. So you can definitely go through these reference books. You should always go through the reference book. Chalhotra is also, Indulkar is also good for insulating material. Note down, R4 book is only one book for the second unit, breakdown theories. I don't think in other books they are covered. So this is only one book which is available for the breakdowns, first, second part. Second, I think B part, A part. So that is our HV book is there, this Cameragenedo. Then this, I don't know, IMA. Okay. So that about the book, and unit wise these books are given, but don't refer this. I will tell you unit wise books that you refer. I am doubtful. I have to yet just confirm this. So I will be telling you. So this now I will just want to tell you about material science. What is really the scope? This is knowledge wall. You might have seen this wall in front of our lab, in front of machine lab. So we have prepared knowledge wall for all the courses, and we have hang it in the lab, inside the lab, or outside the lab. So this is very, very important to study yourself first before we start material science course. So what is there? Course objective, course outcome. Already I have explained you this course objective, course outcome. 2 times I have explained you. Now this is prerequisite required. So material science requires the knowledge of physics. It requires knowledge of chemistry also and basic science also. So for material science, you know, number of knowledges are required. It is theoretical, little bit theoretical, but it requires knowledge, basic science knowledge also. So that prerequisite, I hope you know it. And now this is relevance with PO. Now you know 12 POs are there, environment friendly, ethics. So how much COs are mapped with our POs? Now as already I have revised myself, I took a lot of contributions in syllabus restructuring. So now they are up to my satisfaction level. So now course outcomes are very well mapped with all 12 POs. So I hope with material science course, if you will really do it, your personality will change a lot. To industry will think to absorb you. So that is my objective, that you should be absorbed by industry. Your qualities will be developed overall. Multidimensional personality should develop through this course. That is my objective, and I hope that you will show me that, you will demonstrate me, you will demonstrate to others also. Yes, you have developed that way, so that now all majority these abilities concepts you know. So that is the importance of this mapping with CO and PO. Now core contents of the syllabus, already I told you breakdown theories, how insulating material will starts conducting, different insulating materials used in cables, capacitors, machines, transformers. You will study number of electrical devices. So based off your third year subject, base of your fourth year subject will be covered in material science. That way it is very important. In B class, I only teach high voltage engineering. So whatever you will learn in machine 1, machine 2, machines, transformer, everything you are studying first, little concepts, materials in material science. Then recent development in course area, you know that solid photovoltaics and solar cells and all this technology, you know, but now that is removed from material science course. But still we can say material are remaining still there, material role is there, but photovoltaics and all this is, it is removed because that was limitation. Then what are the advancement in magnetic train, or you just know nanotechnology, semiconducting, all these advancement, you know, they are due to the material only. Scope of course is very good for higher studies, for your research, for science laboratories, research laboratories. This knowledge of the course is important if you want to be in government jobs, or you want to work in the research areas, and in foreign countries it is favorable for research in the materials. So the scope of syllabus is very good. Relevance with PA, so you know program specific outcomes of our department, and relevance of material science with respect to that are very good, because course outcome also defined considering our PSO, like advanced tool usage, what I told, that is our program specific outcome of the department. You will be able to use advanced tool very means in a better way. So that way relevance of this subject is also there, related to energy, power, machines, basic course, measurement also. I already told you. And job opportunities are there. You can work as a design engineer, because material you are learning, material characteristics you are learning, means you can do good designing also. Material engineering in manufacturing industries, power sectors, electronic product manufacturing, research and development, and life sciences, etc. So this material science knowledge wall is there, which is hung outside our material science lab, but now we are not in college, so I just demonstrating you virtually. Okay, so one thing I want to tell you, now you start learning reflections, generate memory map or points for today's lecture. So you do this work today, memory map. So this is the memory map. Suppose today I covered the scope of practicals. Yesterday I covered the scope of theory. So here you will write down scope of practical. Suppose this you will show branch A. Then this you will show branch B. Sorry, not branch, one branch you will show practical A, one branch you will show practical B. Now what I told in practical A, suppose breakdown, 3 experiments, then measuring, 2 experiments, like that. Then here what I told in practical B, 4 experiments which are mini projects, like that. You try to learn this drawing memory map after every lecture. Okay. So I will just give you 2-3 minutes to write down memory map, draw memory map, and just post your photographs in material science group. Be quick within 2-3 minutes. And every day you have practice of creating memory map. While sessions are going on, you just learn habit of writing the points what madam told, drawing in pictorial form. Okay. I will tell you use of this memory map. Later on, I am going to tell you number of things. So be quick. Be quick, try to draw a memory map. By that time, I will take attendance. Start to you in chat box. And today, if you could download that Excel sheet of attendance, you please mail me. Start in chat box number and side by side draw memory map. Okay, start in chat box 1, 2, 3 serial number. Ma'am, could you provide the soft copy of book from library? I don't know whether soft copy are there in the book. See, Seth and Gupta said book you must purchase. You purchase that book. All students, you purchase that book. Seth Gupta said book you purchase. I have habit of saying Seth Gupta because earlier he was also there with Seth. No, I don't know what. Correct one. Put your serial number 1 is finished, 2, 3. By that time you plot memory map. Memory map has started, I think, or no? 2, serial number 3 is not there. 4. Okay, 4. 5. 4, 5. 6 not there. 7 not there. 6 is there. Why you are late 6? 7 is not there. 8 is there. Yes. 10 is there. Complete memory map of today's lecture. 9 is there. 9, 10, 11. Good. 12, 13. 13 is there. 12 is not there. 12. 15. Okay. 15, 16, 17, 18. 16, 17, 18. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 19, 20, 21. 22, 23, 24. What happened? 16. Why you are so late? 16. 17, 18, 19, 20. Start. 20 to 25. Start. You are taking so much time for the chat box also. 20 to 25. Oh. $25 to $30. 25 to 30. Okay. 20. 28, 29. Okay. 30. Okay. 31 to 35. 31 to 35. 19. Why you are late? Godke, I will not mark later on. If you are so late.
Ma'am, someone removed me. That's
Huh?
why.
Kai?
Someone removed me while attendance.
19, 20, 33, 35. 33, 35. Okay. Up to 40. Up to 40 now.
Ma'am, message is not getting sent. 33.
Okay, 33. Marked. 36, 37, 38, 40, 45, up to 45, 41, 42, 41, 42, 40, 37, 44, up to 50, up to 50, 47, 50, 44 I am marked. 47, 50, 39. Why you are late? 39. Okay, up to 55, 55 to 60. 50 to 60. 52. 56. 53, 57. 27. Why you are late? का लेट झाला बाळा? 27.
नेट प्रॉब्लेम
हा
प्रॉब्लेम
बर 25, 20, 54, 60 पर्यंत सांगितले मी. कोणी नाहीये का? 65 पर्यंत टाका. अप टू 65. ओके 65, 64, 61, up to 70, 57, 57 मार्क केलं मी. 1 minute, 1 minute. 64, 65, 64, 65, 61 marked. 57, 66, 57, 66, 68, 70, 48. Why you are late? 48, 23, 70. Now up to 77. 76, 73, 76. अजून कोणी आहे का? Now I am doubtful because I don't know whether material science lay students are attending or our Excel attendance sheet from Microsoft is giving not correct number of attendee. I don't know how many attendees are shown. People, let me check. 46. But other subject attendance I am finding 70, 50, 60. So whether material science lectures are attended by less or some problem is there, I don't know. You tell me. CR? Who is CR? नाव लक्षात राहत नाही माझ्या. तर तू जरा मला सांग. तू मला सांग की मटेरियल सायन्सला कमी मुलं आहेत का? कारण बाकीच्या सब्जेक्टचा मी अटेंडन्स बघितला. 70 मला दाखवला काही सब्जेक्टला 54, 60. मग हा 46 खूप कमी आहे. तर तो असाच आहे का? तो मला सांग. मुलं का नाही अटेंड करत आहेत ते पण सांग मला. आणि अजून आजचं अटेंडन्स शीट जरा घेता येते का बघ बरं तुला मायक्रोसॉफ्टचं. तर नाव आहे.
Ma'am,
हा काय?
ma'am, can I say something?